Hey guys, thanks for joining me today watching this antique desk being flipped into a modern vanity. And it turns out so cute. Just wait till you see the end. I got this desk at a local church rummage sale for a steal of $15. There was someone who, as soon as I walked up to it at the same time, and I put my hand on it first. Did pry off all the old brass hardware. There were these little nails in there attaching it, but it came out pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and keep these for later to clean them. Some of the wood veneer had come off, but I found them in the drawer when I opened it. I glued them back on and let them dry overnight. After everything had dried from washing it, I went ahead and prepped the top with just giving it a light sand. This is a 220 grit, and I'm just trying to get off any old flaking finish that is still hanging on before I go ahead and paint. After the veneer pieces had dried, I took off the clamps and gave it a light sand to get off any extra glue. I was going for a two-color finish here. I'm using Fusion Mineral Paint in the colors Eucalyptus and Algonquin. I wanted to do Eucalyptus on the top and Algonquin on the bottom and the legs. Last time I went to Home Depot, I found these new sanding blocks, or new to me, by Diablo. One side is spongy and the other side is hard. It comes with 3 different grits that stick to each side with Velcro. I thought they were super cool. I can't wait to show you what I'm gonna do with this desk next week. I've been wanting to try something for a long time. Hi guys, so you know I just went to Haven and I'm gonna use the products that I got there. This is a handy product, it's a snap cup. I'm just gonna put some water in this for painting. And then we got these really cool envelopes from Zibra, and they've got some, I really like this package. What's in here? I think there's 2 brushes chiseled wedge, which is awesome. And then this is the one that I'm going to use today on my piece. It's a square brush and it's beveled, and that baby's going to hold a lot of paint. I'm excited about that. So I thought I would like the two colors with the eucalyptus on top and the Algonquin on bottom, but it just wasn't going for me, and so I decided to paint the whole thing with Fusion Mineral Paints Algonquin. This is a super popular color, and I love it because it is a great neutral, and it just seems to make any piece a little bit more modern in tone. One of the elements I really loved about this desk was the half clover on the bottom. I just think it is so cute, and it adds that little bit of extra touch. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I'm calling it a half clover. If anyone out there knows what it is, please comment below. I'd really love to know, as I spent some time on Google trying to figure it out. This is the staging area in my garage. I keep it covered up when I'm working on a piece, and when I'm ready to stage, I pull everything out, put the rug down so that it looks pretty in the pictures for you. Oh my gosh, you guys, what do you think? I think she looks so cute, and I am so in love with how she turned out. The brass pulls shined up beautiful. The color looks perfect, and she is just stunning. Thanks for watching. It was fun hanging out with you guys. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Have an awesome day. Bye.